Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the hottest trends in skincare right now, exosome-based skincare. You may have heard the buzz, but what are exosomes, and why are they becoming the next big thing for skin regeneration? Let's find out. Exosomes are tiny, naturally occurring particles that play a key role in cell communication. Think of them like little messengers that help cells communicate and repair. In skincare, they're being used for their potential in regenerating and rejuvenating the skin. These powerful little particles are packed with proteins and lipids that can deliver healing and anti-aging benefits. Exosomes work by boosting skin repair at the cellular level. When applied to your skin, they help with collagen production, skin regeneration, and inflammation reduction. This leads to smoother, firmer, and more youthful-looking skin. They're often incorporated into serums and moisturizers to maximize these benefits. You may be wondering, how are exosomes different from stem cells, another popular skincare ingredient? While stem cells promote regeneration, exosomes are more focused on communication and signaling. This means exosomes can be more efficient and less invasive, offering a safer alternative for rejuvenating skin without the complexity of stem cell treatments. So, why should you care about exosome skincare? Well, the benefits are huge. Exosomes can help improve skin texture, reduce fine lines, minimize dark spots, and speed up healing from acne or sun damage. Plus, they're non-invasive, making them an appealing option for those who want smoother, more youthful skin without harsh treatments. To incorporate exosomes into your skincare routine, look for serums or creams with exosome technology. Apply these products to clean skin, and make sure to use them consistently to see the best results. Just like any skincare, consistency is key, so be patient. It may take a few weeks to notice visible changes. Exosome skincare is suitable for most skin types, whether you're dealing with signs of aging, acne scars, or uneven skin tone. If you have sensitive skin, though, be sure to patch test before going full on. And of course, if you have any concerns, consult with your dermatologist before trying out new products. So, if you're looking to level up your skincare routine and give your skin some much-needed TLC, exosomes might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. If you enjoyed learning about this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips. See you in the next video.